Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Jeep Compass High Altitude. Really cool SUV. This was Jeep's compact SUV back in 2017. Now taken place by the Renegade for the smallest SUV. But I still prefer the Compass. It's a really nice vehicle. Get inside before the mayflies attack me to death. Nice sliding armrest. This features a 2.4 liter inline 4. Not the multi-air unit found in the Renegade, but still a great unit. Oh, we'll try the turning circle here. Not bad at all. I do like the interior. You do have satellite radio.
We wrote a song.
Everything you would need. Heated seats. Hazard lights. There's your four-wheel drive lock. Pretty cool. Tons of power from this 2.4. It really fits this vehicle well. You do have what's known as Autostick by FCA. That's essentially manual mode. What I like about the Autostick is it's an actual manual. Up until it will shift at breadline, but it will hold gears. And shift exactly when you want it to. It's a really great idea, and I'm glad FCA listens to us enthusiasts. exit auto stick, you just hold the shifter to the right. Same to engage it. Yep, that's my luck. Looks like a 996 turbo. Nice. This is a ton of fun to drive. Really pleasurable. Over these bumps, nice and smooth. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video.